Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this bitter almond oil. So this is 100% natural and it is from a brand Alkaim, and it's back to nature. It is showing back to nature, and the use, how you have to use, they have mentioned like this: on your hair, on your face, you can massage. So it's pure oil, 100% natural, and keep it in dry places only, and it is for external use. Some almond oil are edible also, but this is not in that category, you could say, and it's a product of Oman only. It's written over here, made in Sultanate of Oman, so it's an Oman product, and over here the sign of Omani, it's written it's shown. So let's check from inside, and it costed me around $5, so you can have it. I've also used it earlier. It is very nice on my scalp, so I liked it and I purchased it again. So I thought to share with you so that you can also get benefit as I'm getting. So here comes the almond oil. So this is the bottle, and it is 60 ml. It's written over here. The bottle size is 60 ml, 100% natural almond oil. So you can use it for your hair purpose or your skin. You can give a good massage to your skin for a natural glow. So this is how it looks like. Pure color, nice. It smells perfect like almond, amazing. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you friends, bye bye.